Hello and welcome to this Tree Spotters tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about signing up for and navigating Nature's Notebook. Nature's Notebook is the National Phenology Network's website that volunteers will use to enter phenology data that they've collected out in the field. This tutorial is for anyone who's signed up for a Tree Spotters training or has already been trained and needs to create a Nature's Notebook account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to this URL up here. And once you get to this page, you're probably going to want to bookmark it since you're going to be using it quite a bit as a tree spotter. So the second thing to do here is click Login. And since I haven't created an account already, I'm going to click Join Nature's Notebook. So the first thing you're going to want to do on this page is enter a username. And this can be anything really, but I'm going to enter D. Schisler. Enter your email address. And a password. So here I can opt in or out of Nature's Notebook Quarterly. I like to receive the quarterly email because it's got lots of great information about Nature's Notebook updates. And here's an option for opting out of the leaderboard. So this is actually a running leaderboard that shows the most active observers on Nature's Notebook. So if you want to keep your username from that leaderboard, if you become a very active user, you want to click here to opt out. So next we're going to choose our partner group, and this is the step that trips up volunteers the most. So you won't find the Arnold Arboretum on this list here. You'll have to navigate to Botanic Gardens and Arboretums, and scroll down a little bit here, and you'll see the Arnold Arboretum Tree Spotters Program, and that's the partner group that you want to join. So again, look at the partner group list, scroll down till you see Botanic Gardens and Arboretums, click to expand that, and then select Arnold Arboretum Tree Spotters Program. We do actually have another program here monitoring cloned lilacs at the Arboretum, so you want to make sure that you choose the correct program, which is Tree Spotters. Once you've done that, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click here to agree with the website terms of use. You might want to read those, and then click again to verify that you're a human being, and you'll have to do a little test here. Select all the squares with vehicles, so there are 2 vehicles in that square, and all the squares with street signs. Oh, I passed. And then click Create New Account. Great. So now I've created my account, and if I scroll down the page a bit, I can see all of my my active site, which is the Tree Spotters program site here, and we can see all of the Tree Spotters routes. So we've preloaded all of this information in here for the Tree Spotters. So you'll find all of our routes and all of our trees listed here on the Nature's Notebook observer deck. So remember, this is your observation deck here, and this is where you're going to do all of your data entry. So if you need to navigate to your observation deck at any point, you can click on My Observation Deck, that link right there, and it'll bring you to this page. You can change your account details and your login info by clicking My Account Details if you need to do that. And if you need to change your password, your login information, or your partner groups, you can do all of that here on this page. And just make sure you save once you've made any changes. So I'm going to go back to my observation deck. So you'll find resources here on how to observe and how to use Nature's Notebook. And you'll find all of our roots and our trees listed here for you. You can also print data sheets as well. In our next video, we'll talk about entering observations using Nature's Notebook. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.